Okay, here we are on question 4 of the question and answer weekend session. The question was sent by Narmin, and the question is, what are criterion referenced measurements? And let's go back a little bit to one of the presentations, which was regarding background design. Now, remember that we said that on background design, which is the way to plan projects, we do have to start thinking about the results first. What do we want our students to accomplish with this project? And then after we defined our objectives, then the next thing is to decide what is it going to be the acceptable evidence? What are we going to see on our students that will help us say that they had achieved the target objective that we had planned that project for? So in that sense, that is the criteria referenced measurement. It's criteria that it is very well defined. I'll show you this. I'm working on this rubric right now. This is a rubric for some interactive notebooks that I'm planning to start working with my students this school year. So in this sense, the criteria was completion. I mean, I want those notebooks to be completed, but I said a little more than just it is completed or not. But I stated exactly what I meant. The title, the name, the table of content, or the insert present. I thought that maybe it was more important to have it complete rather than maybe the table of content completed. So, I said that was like a middle ground for the passive mark, that maybe they had things done, but the table of content was not present. So with this rubric, I defined very well what was the criteria for the students to achieve the task. I hope that this answers your question, Armin.